Good day everyone, my name is Miroslav Reiter from DTI University and I would like to present the topic of my research paper with title Benchmarking Web Performance and Core Web Vitals. Today we will analyze how Slovak websites perform using international standards, and this research helps us understand digital maturity in our market. Very briefly about the content of our presentation and research paper, we will begin with the abstract and introduction, where we explain the purpose of benchmarking Slovak websites and importance of core web vitals. Then we will move to methodology, where we describe our quantitative benchmarking design based on multiple web performance tools. And after that, we will present the key findings from our analysis. And in the final part, we will summarize the main conclusions and recommendation. This paper is classified under M15, O33 and L86. Our work uses a quantitative methodology approach focused on technical measurement of the Slovak digital environment. Today I will present how Slovak websites perform in terms of core web vitals and overall technical efficiency. This study presents a comprehensive benchmarking analysis of web performance across Slovak websites, relating technical parameters that reflect digital maturity through standardized metrics including page load time, core web vitals, and user engagement indicators. We benchmarked 30 of WordPress-based Slovak domains and found that while uptime and layout stability are generally strong, loading speed remains a major weakness. Our analysis also shows a strong link between total page size and the number of HTTP requests, which explains much of performance slowdown. Overall, the findings highlight that Slovakia has a stable digital foundation, but achieving higher digital maturity will require better optimization practices and more efficient resources management. Maybe shortly about digital performance imperative. Web performance is now a strategic business factor, not just a technical issue. The European Commission reports show that Slovakia needs better digital services, and a good website's performance directly impact user experience and business success. Google introduced Core Web Vitals as the new standard for measuring website quality, and these three metrics, LCP, CLS, and INP, measure loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability, and they directly affect search rankings and user satisfaction. Most research focus on global markets, but we lack the data about Central Europe. This creates opportunity to understand our region digital landscape, and our study fills this important gap in Slovakia. We see main research objective and scope. We want to measure current performance, identify improved areas, and provide actionable recommendation. This systematic approach ensures reliable results. We use quantitative benchmarking and focus on WordPress sites, and use standardized tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, Web Vitals, GTmetrix, Uptime Robot, and SimilarWeb. We designed 4 research questions to guide our analysis. First, performance baseline. What is the average level of technical performance of Slovak WordPress website in terms page load time, LCP, CLS, and uptime metrics? Secondly, about the standard compliance. How do measured performance values compare with the recommended threshold levels defined by Google Web Vitals? Structural relationships. What is the relationship between total page size and number of HTTP requests? And finally, device differences. Does cumulative layout shift differ between mobile and desktop version of Slovak websites? Each question examines a different aspect of the web performance, and together they give us a complete picture of the situation. We use multiple professional tools to ensure accurate measurements. Each tool provides different insights about the website performance. We see 3 categories: performance analysis, operation monitoring, and user behavior. This is multi-tool approach makes our findings more reliable. These are the KPIs or key metrics we measure in our study. Each indicator tells us something important about the user experience, and together they show the complete performance picture. We see PLT, LCP, so page load time, largest content of paint, and CLS, cumulative late shift, uptime and reliability, and total page size and HTTP requests. Here we can see performance and operational metrics for 30 Slovak WordPress website included in our study. The table shows key indicators such LCP, CLS, page load, uptime. What stand out the strong variability between websites. Some achieve fast loading and stable layouts, while others have heavy pages, slow performance, and higher bounce rates. These differences help us understand where optimization is effective and where Slovak websites still struggle in meeting modern web performance standards. Further research question. Here we present the baseline performance result for Slovak WordPress website. The average page load time is 5.73 seconds, which is about the Google recommended 3-second limit. The LCP on mobile is 2.42 seconds, which still fits within acceptable 2.5 second threshold, and CLS on mobile reaches 0.09, meeting the recommended maximum of 0.1. And finally, the average uptime is 98.32%, showing the strong hosting stability. Overall, Slovak websites are reliable in terms of availability, but their loading efficiency is still suboptimal due to heavy content and large file structure. Most sites meet basic standards, but have place for improvement. Then we have page size and HTTP requests. It strongly affect loading times. Websites with more resources take longer to load. Optimization should focus on reducing these technical factors. And lastly, mobile devices show worse visual stability than desktop computers. This is a critical issue since the most users browse on mobile today. Developers must prioritize on mobile optimization. This slide compares the visual stability of mobile and desktop version using the CLS values. For mobile, the minimum value is 0.0, the first quartile is 0.0, and the median is 0.01, and third quartile is 0.10, and the maximum reaches is 0.49. These results show us the mobile version are generally more stable, while desktop layouts include several high outliers that indicate layout shift during the loading. These metrics show relationship between different performance metrics. The strongest correlation helps us identify optimization priorities. Understanding this connection guides effective improvement strategies. So this slide summarizes the key correlation between the main performance metrics. First, the correlation between page load time and bounce rate. R equals 0.25, indicating the slower website slightly increase user drop-off. Secondly, the relationship between page load time and mobile LCP is R equals 0.3, showing us moderate connection where slower loading also delays content rendering. Third, we see stronger correlation, R equals 0.48, between HTTP request and total page size, meaning that large pages usually contain more resource calls. And finally, bounce rates has weak correlation, ranging from R approximately minus 0.02 to minus 0.20, suggesting that user behavior depends more on content than on pure technical metrics. Altogether, these insights help us understand which technical factors more strongly affect performance and user experience. Let me summarize the main findings from our research. Slovak websites are technically stable but needs performance optimization. The biggest opportunity is improving mobile experience and reducing page weight. Here we have key findings in our study. First, Slovak websites show strongly technical stability with uptime 98.32% and generally a good visible stability. Second, we identified a major speed optimization gap. The average page load time reached 5.73 seconds, which is above optimal threshold. Third, the strong correlation between page size and HTTP request confirm resource management issues that slow down loading and reduce efficiency. And fourth, mobile versions outperform desktop layouts, showing that the mobile file strategies are being implemented successfully. And finally, Slovak organization demonstrate a moderate level of digital maturity, but still lack a full optimization across all performance dimensions. Based on our findings, here are practical recommendations for improvement and directions for future research. Focus on image optimization, reducing script, and mobile-first design. Future research should track these metrics over time to measure progress. First, from a practical perspective, a website should reduce page weight through image compressions and code minification, limit external scripts, apply lazy loading, and improve desktop layout structure through the CLS values. Continuous technical monitoring aligned with Core Web Vitals is also essential. Second, for future research, we recommended expanding the analysis to other CMS platforms such as Joomla, Drupal, or Wix, conducting longitudinal studies to observe changes over time and comparing performance pattern across UI member states. Integrating performance metrics into national digital policy frameworks would also strengthen the evidence-based digital transformation. Overall, these studies show that Slovak organization must focus on holistic performance management to achieve higher compliance with Core Web Vitals and move toward more digital mature web ecosystem. Thank you.